Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Parallelogram.
What does the dictionary say?
A quadrilateral having both pairs of opposite sides parallel to each other.
Math rap.
Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram got nothing on the power of a parallelogram. 4 sides straight of a flat shape, and well, the opposite sides are parallel.
Math rap.
What kind of message do you send 2-letter L's? A parallelogram. Do you know what a rhombus is? Explain. Is a square a parallelogram? List or draw real-life objects that have rectangles in them. Define a parallelogram in your own words. What are your thoughts on parallelograms? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!